Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I received a few more items from Banggood.com to review, so if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So the first item I wanted is this LED lamp. Now the box came a little bit smashed up, but the lamp inside arrived undamaged, so that's a plus. The instruction manual is in Chinese or Japanese or Korean or some Asian language, which I can't read. I can only read and speak English, so that's no use to me. But if you understand the basic function of a lamp and you play with the controls a little bit, you'll get it. It's not that hard. Please ignore my Merry Christmas background. I've received this stuff maybe early to mid-December and I went ahead and filmed it, but I'm just now getting around to editing the video, doing the voiceover because I've been so incredibly busy, so just ignore that. This is the plug it comes with. It's just a standard US plug. I do wish that the cord would have been a tiny bit longer because if you put this on a table, you're probably going to need an extension cord. I know I put this on top of my IKEA nail table and I did need an extension cord because the cord just wasn't long enough to reach the wall outlet. This knob controls the brightness of the lamp and it also controls the color temperature, meaning you can change the lamp from warm to cool lighting. Depends whether you're reading or if you just want to add a little bit more light into the room. Usually whenever you're reading you want a little bit of a cooler type temperature. I know whenever I'm reading I prefer it to be a little bit more cool. I don't like warm lighting whenever I'm reading. Now if I'm just kind of lounging around, then I do like a warm lighting. And also if you hold the button down and turn it at the same time, that is what changes the color temperature of the lamp. Just turning the knob left and right increases and decreases the brightness. In this clip, I will show you how the lamp changes from a very warm lighting to cool lighting. Now I must say I'm a little bit disappointed in the brightness of this lamp. From the photos online and the other videos I saw of it, it looked like it would be a little bit brighter. However, I wanted it to put on my nail table to add just a little bit more brightness to my videos, but it's just not giving me as much brightness as I wanted, so I'll probably just put it on my nightstand or something to read with. So the next item I wanted is this big container of UV gel. Now this is basically a knockoff of the IBD Builder Gel. I didn't want this to put on my natural nails because I'm not sure how it would work. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as the other the UV gel from China, so don't think it would hold up too well on my natural nails. However, the main reason why I wanted it is to fill my nail molds with, because I wanted to try making some of those big nail jewels out of gel. So I'm going to give that a whirl, see if it works. The next item I wanted is this metallic red gel. It looked absolutely beautiful on their website. It's like a beautiful candy apple red polish, so I was hoping that's what I would get. However, I was so disappointed. It's more of like a dark pink, like a light red sort of color. I'm really disappointed in it. Yeah, not a fan of this color at all. I've had so much trouble finding a nice candy apple red metallic gel polish. This one definitely wasn't it, so I guess I'll just have to keep looking. So the next and last item I got is this nail wheel filled with rhombus shaped rhinestones. Now the main reason I wanted this is for the red ones. However, when I got it, the red ones were actually dark pink, so that was a little bit disappointing too. I had a few nail ideas planned in my mind that I wanted to use the red rhombus stones for. However, I guess if I end up doing those nail designs, I'll just have to buy the Swarovski stones instead, because those are much prettier anyway. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!